Hi, it's Gilbert. Today is Tech Tuesday. Let's check out what today's topics are. I have a website you're going to want to check out. It is called Spiral. It is currently free to support remote learning, all of your favorite formative assessment apps in one platform. Engage students in lessons and at home with simple to use everyday learning activities. Let's check it out. Here's a website you're going to want to check out. It is called Spiral.ac and it is partnered with Discovery Education. This website is where you can embed different types of formal assessments for your students. If you go to classes, you can add your class here and add your students. There are 5 different types of assessments. The cool thing is that each assessment has its own tutorial on how to create these assessments. Let's look at Quickfire Lite, which is a verbal Q&A. If I want to create this assessment, I'm going to click here. There's my class, Mr. B's reading. Click go. This is the site that I'm going to put in the chat for my students on Zoom for them to log in. I'm also going to put in the chat this code. This is how they're going to get in. And then they'll click enter. It'll ask them for their name. They'll find the class and click start. Right now it is locked because I haven't clicked go on the teacher side, which looks like this. So I know that Noah is already logged in, and then all my other students will populate here. Once I click go, then the assessment will start. So if I go back to the student, if I was doing a comprehension, they can tell me, I ask them a comprehension question, they tell me, their answer, we'll just put little red, and then they click submit. Then on my teacher side, the answers are hidden, but if I go to reveal answers, I can see everybody in my class's answers. I can even see their names if I wanted to. If I wanted to share one of the students, I can go to random and it'll select that student. On the student side, if Noah doesn't like his answer, he can click edit, change it, and then click submit. Once everything is done, it will populate some data for me. So I can print the data, I can export it, all of that information is here. So spiralace.ac could be some sort of formal assessment you like to check out. There's multiple types, like a multiple format quiz. You can have interactive slides, presentation. You can have a collaborative project, and then video clips Q&A. You can insert a video, and there's questions to go along with it. So this website is going to be something you're going to want to check out. Google Files hack. Do you know that you can restrict the sharing options on your Google Files? If you wanted to share a document and you didn't want them to make a copy, you could change the sharing settings, which would only allow them to view your document only. Let's check it out. So here's a little hack for those of you that like to share documents that are maybe confidential, or you just want them to just view it and not do anything to it or make a copy. Here's a little hack. So to do that, you're going to click on the share button. You're going to click on this gear that says share with people settings. You're going to uncheck these. You're going to get that link. You're going to either copy it or Control C. So then when you give it to that person, and they click on it, that document is only view only. That is it. They will have no access to printing the document. They have no access to making a copy, emailing it, or downloading it. So this is just a little hack for those that like to share documents that you just want them just to view it. Are you looking for free letter tiles? Well, I have a website for you called Really Great Reading. It specializes in helping educators teach the foundational skills that lead to strong decoding and fluent reading.
They provide scientific aligned tools that help schools build strong literacy foundations and primary grades. Let's check it out.
Are you in need of some letter tiles? This website called reallyGreatReading.com has some free letter tiles. Depending on the device that you're using, they have touch input, mouse input, or trackpad. So since I'm on a laptop, I'm going to choose mouse input. So here, the free version is all the basic tiles. Everything else has to be purchased. So you'll have access to the alphabet, some diagraphs, and some colored tiles. So students can make some CVC words using these tiles. This also can be linked in Schoology. To do that, I'm going to get the link. I'm going to copy it, go to my Schoology course. I'm going to go to Add Materials, Add File Link External Tool, click Link. Here is where I'm going to paste that link. And the title I'm going to put for my students is Letter Tiles. Now here, I could have it displayed in Schoology, or I can have it displayed in a new window. So when my students click on it, it will take them to the window. They choose the one you tell them, depending on their device, and they can start making their CVC words.
Thank you for tuning in to this week's Tech Tuesday. We'll see you again next week.